Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne and this is Studio Yvonne. So in today's video I'm going to do a wig, and the wig I'm going to use 2 bundles of weave and closure. So the process I'm doing is from the beginning till the end, because I'm going to set or roller set the wig after I'm done, because the weave I'm using, it's it's not been used, but it has stayed for some times now it doesn't look so nice. So after I'm done with the stitching, I'm going to customize the wig and then set it, and everything is on camera. So I hope you're going to enjoy and we love the outcome. Those who are new, I welcome you so much into this channel. We are still new, and I would really like you to support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I will appreciate. Thank you guys, and let's get started. So I have my cup here. This is the kind of cup that I'm going to use. I have my thread and a needle. I have my scissors here, and this is the closure that I'm going to use. Yeah, and I have my bundles of weaves over here. So these are the bundles that I'm going to use. This cup that I'm using, I'd pre-measured my client's head, and when I did the measurements on this wig cup, I noticed that the wig cup is a bit, it's slightly bigger than her head. So I'm just going to start with at least adjusting the cup a bit. I'm just going to reduce the size of the cup just a bit, and then after that we can get started. So I'm done with the adjustment. So this is it. This is how it looks after adjusting the measurement. So now we are going to the next step, which is installing the closure. So make sure you put your closure right in the middle of the cup. So So I'm done with the two sides, so let's continue with the back. As you can see, the back is very straight, yeah, so it is just stitching. If you don't stitch, if you don't make these parts straight, perfectly straight, this part will fold. So when you're stitching, make sure that your wig is fitted perfectly before you start stitching. That is why you should use the pins to pin it so that you see how it sits on the cap before you start stitching it. So let's stitch the back. Now I'm done attaching the closure onto the weave, so let's jump into fixing the weave now. So our closure is perfectly fitted on the wig cap. So I like pinning the weaves before I start stitching, just for guidance. The weft of this weave is a bit somehow stiff. That is why you can see me struggling when I'm pinning. So guys, this is the next day. I didn't manage to finish the wig the previous day, so like right now, as you can see, I'm doing the finishing part. So let's see how it comes out, and after this I'm just going to set it. Yeah, because the weave they were new, but they had stayed for too long, so they were not looking neat. So after this I'm just going to spray some water, and then after spraying the water I'll just set it, and we'll see how it comes out. Stay tuned. So the wig is done, and that's how it looks before setting. Now I'm just going to cut the excess lace, not lace actually, but the part that we had put the closure. Now we don't need that lace for it to look natural, so we're just going to like cut that lace out, and then after this we go to the roller setting. So after finishing the setting, now I'm just going to put it under the dryer to dry for like 30 minutes, and then after that we'll just remove the rollers and see how it comes out. So keep watching. By the way guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. Please consider subscribing, and kindly like my video, comment down below, let me know what you think about this weave. I'll take any advice from you guys, and I really appreciate you for watching this far. Yeah, we are just almost there.